Okay, so we're going to do something a little bit different today. So you need to go to your seesaw activities. Don't go there quite yet. I just want you to watch me for just a minute. And you're going to go to this Papel Picado. And this is a comprehension kind of like assessment or just kind of like an activity. And so you're going to go there. You can read through those directions. And then when you go to add your response, it comes up like this. Okay, so if you remember how to use the Titan strategy from last year, here are just some clues. Here's a reminder. If you don't remember how to use it, that's fine. But I do want you in this activity to highlight where you find your answers, okay? Even if you don't use this whole thing, I want you to try to use it. But at least highlight your text evidence. So I know this is kind of choppy and we're just going to have to do the best we can right now. There are 13 pages, but I'm going to show you each one so you realize it's not terrible. So there's a paragraph here, one here, one here. So there's kind of one or two paragraphs on each page. This is giving you directions on how to do something. It's on 2 different pages. If I made it on less pages, it's just too small. You can't see it. And then here are your questions. Do you see all those? I know it's weird that it starts with 31. So if you're using the strategy where you're going to number where you find the text evidence, you know, kind of like we did the other day with the girl from Yamhill when we did that, you can just put 31. I don't know why it starts that way it does. Okay, and to mark your answers, you can highlight the answer if you want to. You can circle the answer. I just need to make sure that you need to make sure that I know which answer you are putting when you do this. And all I want you to do is try your best. When you are finished with this, you need to take a break until 11:05 when we come back for math. So you can relax and read at your house. You can read on Epic, but I want you to kind of take a break after that. Okay, so you're just relaxing. Anybody have any questions? Are we good? Okay, all I want you to do is the very best you can, but if I told you not to come back at 11:05, you have an hour and almost 20 minutes. So you have plenty of time to take your time and do a really good job on this, right? Okay, that's what I want to see everybody do. All right, I will see you at 11:05, and we'll stay on here for a little bit in case you have any questions, okay? Thank you.
Thank you, guys.